In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll have a simple rule that moves messages to your archive folder automatically, keeping your inbox clean without deleting anything important. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where we'll set up the automation. In the Settings panel, choose Mail to access your mail-specific options. Next, select Rules. Rules let Outlook watch your incoming messages and take actions for you based on conditions you define. Click Add New Rule to begin. Give your rule a clear, memorable name. Something like autoarchive works well, so you'll recognize it later if you need to update or pause it. Now, add a condition. For this setup, choose From, which means the rule will look at who the email is coming from. In the address field, type the sender's email address that you want to automatically archive. This is useful for newsletters, notifications, or any sender you want out of the inbox, but still searchable for later. You can keep it simple by starting with one sender now and refining your rules over time. With the condition in place, add an action. Select Move to, so Outlook knows what to do when a message matches your rule. When the folder list opens, pick the Archive folder. Archive is a safe place to store messages. Unlike deleting, archiving keeps emails accessible and searchable, which is perfect for reducing clutter without losing track of important information. When everything looks right, the rule name, the From condition, and the Move to Archive action, click Save. From now on, any new email that matches your condition will automatically move to the Archive folder as soon as it arrives. This won't remove messages already in your inbox, but it will keep things tidy going forward. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this. You can repeat these steps to create additional rules for other senders or categories, and you can return to the Rules section anytime to edit, reorder, or turn a rule off. If something isn't moving as expected, double-check that the condition is set to From and that the Archive folder is selected. That's it. Your auto-archive rule is ready and working behind the scenes to keep your inbox organized.